Titled The Rich Princess and the Broke Princess. Once in a kingdom far, far away, there were two princesses, Princess Lily, who lived in a grand castle and had everything she could ever want, and Princess Rosie, who lived in a cozy cottage and had to be thrifty with her belongings. Princess Lily had golden hair and blue eyes, and she loved to wear fancy dresses and sparkly tiaras. Princess Rosie had brown hair and green eyes, and she wore simple, colorful clothes. They lived in different parts of the kingdom and had never met each other. One day, Princess Lily's carriage broke down near Princess Rosie's cottage. Princess Rosie kindly offered to help, and soon they got to talking. They realized that despite their different lifestyles, they both loved to explore and have fun. Princess Lily showed Princess Rosie all the luxurious things in her castle, and Princess Rosie showed Princess Lily the simple joys of her cottage. They laughed, played games, and shared stories late into the night. They became the best of friends. As they spent more time together, Princess Lily learned to appreciate the little things in life, and Princess Rosie learned that it's okay to enjoy fancy things sometimes. They realized that true wealth is having a friend who accepts you for who you are. From that day on, Princess Lily and Princess Rosie visited each other often. They had grand adventures in the castle and fun picnics in the countryside. They showed everyone in the kingdom that friendships can bloom in the most unexpected places. And so, Princess Lily and Princess Rosie lived happily ever after, knowing that no matter the size of their castles or the wealth in their possession, having a true friend was the greatest treasure of all.